Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we have Leetcode 373, find k pairs with smallest sum. So in this question, pretty straightforward. It's like a permutation problem. We have input nums1 is a array of integer, nums2 another array of integer, and k is 3. So the permutation will get one numbers from here and get another number from nums2 to make a pair. So the sum of the pair will, based on the sum of the pair, we sort them into the list right here. And the k is 3 right here, is we getting the smallest 3 out of them, and then output of that 3. And that's the problem. And here, we're going to use a priority queue, use heap to solve this problem. Let's take a look at that question. So now we build a priority queue. This question is based on is basically practicing how to use priority queue. And we have a list of integer. So pq is equal to new priority queue. And now there's a condition saying that a and b is input. That based on this condition, we will have a dot get 0. Sorry. Plus a dot get 1. So the list of integer, which is the pair, will have 0 and 1. Plus adding a plus a dot get 0 and a dot get 1 is the sum of the pair. So based on that pair, we want to sort them in this way. So now you can see this is a priority queue. You want to sort them like this. The big is the beginning and small later. Because we're going to pop out this one and pop out this one and keep the length of k right here for the priority queue. Now we also minus b dot get 0 plus b dot get 1. So this is conditioned by sorting the sum of a and sum of the b right here and sort them to the biggest to come out first. Now we have the priority queue done. We will make a double for loop to do the permutation and get all the pairs and put it into the priority queue. So if I started from 0 and less than nums1.length for int j is equal to 0 also, and j is less than nums2.length j plus plus. So this is double for loop, so they will match with every pairs. And what we can do is first we put that pair into the priority queue by using arrays at least, that function that put in nums1 here is I, nums2, and here's j. So now we add the pair in that priority queue right now. Okay, then here we add all this pairs inside the priority queue. Now we set up a list of lists, which is the output array equal to new array list. And we want to have k of them. Let's see. We want to get k's from the priority queue. So while k is bigger than 0, then we need to get one from the priority queue. In here, sorry, actually this order is wrong. Currently, because I want to show you the example of how to use it differently. So currently, if 8 minus b right here will look like this. So the smallest one will be the beginning, at the beginning of the queue by using this. Yeah, correct. So the queue will look like this. And we can just output how many k of them from here after we put them all in the order. That's cool. And we also need to make sure the priority queue is not empty. Because if it's empty, then we have nothing to output. Then if it's not empty, then output.add pq.pull and get the L. So we get the smallest one L and put it to the output. And after that, k minus, so I have to deduct by 1. So now we have k of them, put it to the output array, and we simply just return output as the result. So we have this. Give me a second. Double. Oh, there's no comma here. Semicolon. PQ, right? And cool. I think it passed. Let's run this. Interesting. Now you see the result right here. We are using way much more memory. Here's runtime is 44 milliseconds. So I want to introduce you. Basically, this is how we solve the problem. If you think it's good, yeah, you can go to the next video. But here I want to show you why we can improve a little bit for the memories in here. So as we say, now we're sorting this one from small to big. Actually, we can make it opposite, from big to small. And we just need to keep that size of the priority queue to equal to k. Now we make it, we reverse this order by changing b, the sum of b pair minus a pair. And that by changing this, the order will shift to this way. Then now it's shift. And we need to add a condition in here, because every time we have this order. So if in this case, now k is equal to 3, and they insert another one in here. So we need to output the biggest one. When size equal to, so here, if k, pq.size bigger than k, and pq.pull. So take out the biggest element from that pq from here. So now the pq back to size 3 in here. So, and we don't need this process, because at the end, the queue will have a size of k or less than k. And at that time, we just need to return a new array. I think array list. What we need to input here is PQ as the priority queue. So get everything in the priority queue and copy it to the array list as the output. So now it should be it. cool. And in this case, we always keep the priority queue size small, like in size K. So that's why our memory is so much smaller. But in here, runtimes go much higher. I'm still not quite sure why is the case. If you know why is the case, please comment it below. Yeah, that's really helpful for me at least. So now this is two solutions for this question. So pretty cool. You get to know how to use priority queue. If you still have questions, please comment below and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.